JamiyyathSalaf is a civil society, a government-registered NGO in the Maldives. It has been active in various sectors of the society with the noble objective of upholding the tenets and the principles of Islam in the Maldives, in addition to working against the barriers to religious practices. In this regard, JamiyyathSalaf has been actively involved in spreading religious awareness programs, providing advice and explanations on various issues in accordance with the Islamic jurisprudence, imparting religious as well as contemporary education, conducting informative sessions on work skills and ethics, guiding and developing the youth, and providing assistance to those in need. In addition to conducting various religious awareness activities in Malé region, JamiyyathSalaf has regularly been traveling from the north to the south of the country. During these trips to reach the larger public, lectures as well as workshops and various social activities are being conducted for different age groups. JamiyyathSalaf has been explaining the various misconceptions about Islam and trying to keep the authorities alert to investigate and take action against anti-Islamic activities across different platforms in the country. JamiyyathSalaf has been working extensively to protect the society from the evil forces of religious persecution and infidelism, and to create a friendly and a peaceful environment. Through social support, the NGO has been helping families in distress and providing financial assistance to the underprivileged who have to go abroad for treatment. It also provides monthly meals to families in need of help, especially during the month of Ramadan. The last Ramadan saw JamiyyathSalaf providing 80 families with 1 month's ration. In addition to this, the NGO distributes food at the Islamic Center on a daily basis during Ramadan and provides food parcels to the patients and their attendants at IGMH as well as Holumale Hospital. Last year, around 300 parcels were supplied to 2 hospitals every day during Ramadan. JamiyyathSalaf is administratively governed by the Civil Society Act and adheres closely to the rules and regulations laid down by the relevant authorities. The NGO also closely follows the Act and submits to the government all documents mandated by law and regulations. In order to streamline the internal governance of the organization, there is a governing committee as well as a consultative council that advises on organizational affairs, a parliament, as well as a volunteer group who are actively involved in the organization's activities. In addition to the Council of Scholars, which is the main engine of JamiyyathSalaf, there is a Council of Scholars working under it. There are about 40 scholars in the council. It is an undeniable fact that the scholars of JamiyyathSalaf are trusted and loved by the public, who are deeply interested in their advice and guidance. All the activities carried out by JamiyyathSalaf are publicly available on several media platforms. The public's unwavering attention to the various information provided to them on the NGO's social media platforms and the generous support given by the people attest to the fact that the organization is public-friendly, loved and trusted by the people of the Maldives. JamiyyathSalaf envisions creating an innovative, skilled and a hard-working generation upon the teachings of Islam.